This video guide will help you to get rid of Hidenseekxr27.live or some other similar pop-up windows. Basically, these pop-ups are presented as some survey or the notification claiming that you have won some prize, some jackpot, some lottery, or some other price whatsoever. In some cases, depending on the original settings, you may get the fake information about the chance of winning new mobile phone or some other top gadgets. So this particular website, Hidenseekxr27.live, is just a part of many other similar alerts that try to deceive you and to force you into sharing a lot of your personal details. Because when you actually, when people mistakenly agree with these proposals and they participate in such faulty and fake affairs, they will be soon told to pass some survey, some questionnaire, and eventually, well, later on, there will be another redirection to some other resource where they'll be told to provide some of their personal details. Their name, surname, email address, telephone number, possibly the credit card details. And eventually this information may be stolen and granted to third parties without your permission, and what's more dangerous, this data may be shared with potentially with cyber frauds, online criminals who hunt for your money. So be very careful not to provide any of your personal data through such pop-ups. I recommend that you carefully inspect your available Mac applications, and if you find something suspicious here, go ahead and right-click on it and move it straight away to the trash. Now, I also recommend scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may find through the official landing page combocleaner.com. This is important because often the adware cannot be visually established on the Mac, even though it still may be there. Combo Cleaner antivirus through combocleaner.com will help you to get the clear picture of what's going on with your Mac right now. Download the software using this landing page, and afterwards start the application. This is the way it looks like. The program initially comes as the trial version. The trial has got some free functions. These three first functions are free: Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates Finder. All other functions are the part of the premium license only. Click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the detailed analysis of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. As you see, so far 16 threats were found on our computer, and obviously these threats represent danger to the safety of your Mac and of your personal information. You may click on Review Results to find out where exactly these threats are located, and you may go to the specific location of each thread and remove one thread at a time, thus making your Mac clean. Or you may click on Remove All Threads to fix your Mac computer automatically, however only with the premium version of the software. Thanks for watching.